This Weathersmith update is sponsored by Alliance Maintenance. Alliance Maintenance Inc. excites our customers by creating a clean and orderly place to work.
Welcome to Weathersmith, everybody. This is Jeff Smith. It is 9:53, Saturday, May 2nd. Welcome. All right, let's switch over to Core. We've got the new application running now. Let's check our current temps. Look at that. We're all hanging out in the mid to upper 50s across the area. Tulsa's still the hotter spot on the map. We've got a little bit of breeze out there, so we got some real field temperatures. Current feels like in the 40s, low 50s across the area. Temps are going to continue to drop through the night with temperatures hanging out in the mid 40s for overnight lows. So kind of chilly. Not bad though. All right, moving into tomorrow, we warm up into the 80s. Look at that. Fantastic weather. We will drop back down tomorrow night into the 40s. There is a little bit of probability of precipitation to our north, but I think better chances are going to take place Monday. Moving into Monday, high temperatures in the low 80s across the area. We will drop down into the 50s and low 60s. So, yuck. I'm not a fan of that. That's probably going to lead to probability of precip being a little high in some spots. Yes. That gives us an idea we're going to see some rain or some thunderstorms to the north of us, or at least to our northern counties. Moving over to day 3, there is the marginal risk for severe weather from Storm Prediction Center. Look at this on the model. The confidence, I don't have a lot of it, and I think that's why there's just a marginal risk. We'll probably see a few isolated cells, but very isolated. Not everybody's going to get in on precip. Moving into Tuesday, hit the wrong button. There we are. Tuesday, the severe weather shifts to our south. This is going to have a better potential of severe weather than what we will see move through our area. And then there's also severe weather on day 5, but it's even further into Arkansas. So we kind of get missed on this opportunity. Kind of a bummer if you're in the severe weather group. All right, so looking at this is Sunday night, 9 p.m. We got some showers up in northern Missouri, Jeff City area. Those will trot on through, staying on the north and east of us, no big deal. As we go into Monday, Monday morning we're good. Monday afternoon we start seeing some isolated cells trying to develop. And then once we get into overnight into Tuesday, we start seeing that bigger complex work its way through. I think Springfield's going to have the better shot of seeing any severe weather. The initial wave, when it starts moving through Monday night, we may see a few isolated strung of severe cells, but I think the majority of it's definitely going to be east of us and then eventually south of us. And then that's as far as the model goes currently. We'll have to look at Tuesday tomorrow, but I think we'll run through that and see what our potentials are. Again, marginal risk, so not the best for severe weather. All right, that is all I have for tonight. I will have an update tomorrow morning. We'll go over the latest models and we'll see how things pan out from there. All right, have a good night. We'll talk to you later.